Hey guys, what's good? It's your girl TJ. It's your girl TJ. I am back with another motherfucking video for you guys today. Super excited for today's video because it's a try on haul. And y'all know, guess what? We got Valentine's Day coming up. And your girl gotta get something to wear, okay? So basically today's try on haul is just a few dresses that I picked up that you can wear from day to night. Also, I got some sleepwear, lingerie, whatever you want to call it. I got some of that I'm trying on for you guys today. So we gonna get right into today's video. I don't want to, make the intro too long. If you guys are new to my channel, don't know why you're not already subscribed, but don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, make sure your notifications on so you won't miss another upload from me, myself, and I. So now we got all that good stuff out of the way. We're gonna hop right into today's video. And let me tell y'all, I'm completely obsessed over these pieces. All right, guys. So the first piece I have is the Gabriella Satin Maxi shirt dress. This is in the color copper and this is in a size large. Let me tell you, baby, you're gonna feel like money when you put this dress on, and that's just on period, because I did. I feel like I was going to a formal, classy, bougie event. Like, seriously, y'all, this dress is so freaking cute. You guys cannot, you can't get my drift with me just holding it up. Like, me in it and the model is gonna do it justice. But this dress is mad long. This will be cute with some high heels, because if you're short though, because like this drapes down to my ankles. Like, I'm gonna have to have some heels on, but I feel like it would low-key still drape. But anyway, I'm 5'4.5" for those you wonder. I ain't short, but I ain't tall either. So yeah, y'all, this dress made me feel like money, okay? It was just giving me ball vibes. Like, I'm going to a ball, it just gave me Lux vibes. Like, I got money, ain't nobody can tell me nothing. Like, I'm show stopping. Like, that is the type of vibes I got from this dress. I love the feel. This is like a satin material. Yeah, this is a satin material, y'all. This feels amazing. It doesn't feel cheap. I believe this dress was $49.99, y'all. And I'm telling you, you can't, this is just a steal. I'm sorry. $50 for this? $50 for these? Really? As you guys can see, it does have buttons down, all the way down, okay? I was a little bit confused on how to put it on, but once you take your time and just look at how it's going, it's very easy, to be honest. There is I can't find it now. Where'd it go? It is a slit on the side, and this helps you get in it. You can zip this up once you get in it. Also, there is a band on the inside that keeps the little knot in place, but you can alter it, not the knot. Well, you can alter it, not the knot itself, but it keeps a little knot in place. Now, there is more buttons, so you can pull it up or down however you would like. Y'all, love how it fit. It felt very, very good. The satin, this was my perfect size because the sleeves were not tight. Like, if my sleeves is tight, this one don't matter because it's like a fitted dress, but something like this is tight, y'all, it got to go up a size. But this fit amazing. I feel like the knot also gives you a little snatchness going on in the waist area. Now, don't come for me, y'all. I did have my waist trainer on, but y'all know I'm trying to lose weight, and if y'all know the struggle about putting on a waist trainer when you never did that before, y'all, that takes me forever to get up in there. To put all that in there, I wasn't taking it off. So I do have my waist trainer on throughout this video. So I do apologize for that, but it's just what it is. But love this dress, y'all. This is my favorite. This is my money dress. So if y'all see me, calm down. Okay. So the next dress I have is the Baddie Alert Faux Leather Midi dress. This is in the color black, of course, and this is in the size large. This was $44.99. Now, let me tell you, when this say Baddie Alert, it really means Baddie Alert, because, like, sis, I really felt like I was a baddie in this. Like, this was just giving me like that classy motorsport vibes. It was just giving me all of that. Now, this is what the dress looks like. Does have a zipper. You can zip it all the way up, as you guys chose. It has a mid collar. It's not too long, but I'm joking. This dress, sis, if you're looking for something to snatch you up, gobble you up, and sculpt you to the gods, this dress is for you, because this is so form-fitting. I didn't think it was gonna fit. Like, just looking at it, I was like, oh my gosh, does it not have stretch? I was just taking out the package, but it has mad stretch. Now, you don't want to be getting in it and it look like this. That means it's too small and you need to go up a size. I just love it. Tucson sweater maxi dress. This is in the shade Taupe. Taupe, I think that's how you say it, and it's in the size large. So this is what she is giving us right now, okay? This is what she's giving us. Got the sleeves and all that good stuff. Now this is not a two-piece. I know some of you may be confused because I said it's not a two-piece. It's not a two-piece. It's a one-piece dress. This part right here is actually for your stomach. You're supposed to give a little cute stomach action in this section. I had to waist straight on so you couldn't see it, but this dress is versatile because I just wore it straight up and down like it was a two-piece dress, and it wasn't. But I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like on the model if I haven't already. I would prefer to wear it with a little side stomach going on. It just gives it that vibe. I feel like this is a good outfit for Valentine's Day too, because it's not doing too much, but it's still giving like I'm cute. I'm just, you know, giving a little sneak peek or something. I don't know, guys, but I feel like it's a cute outfit for Valentine's. I don't do like the coloring like purple and reds for Valentine's Day. I don't wear them. I just wear whatever. But I really love this color. This is like a knit material as well, really sturdy, really, it feels very, very good. It's also stretched. It definitely has a stretch. Thought this was mad cute. This is definitely a body sculpting dress too. It fits your curves and, you know, whatever you were working with. Love it, sis. It's definitely cute. I'm here for it. All right, so next we do have the Always Yours mini dress. This is in the color Heather Gray. The size is a large. All the dresses I did get was in a size large. This is what it looks like overall. I do love the ruffle effects. I feel like the faux dress as well gave that illusion of, you know, your body is snatched to the god. I just love these things. Now with these strings you can adjust them. This, when you do adjust it though, your skirt it's gonna go way up there, so it depends on what you doing on your plans. You can use that. It'll be useful. I was so stupid. I was just kidding, y'all, but anyway, yeah, whatever you use it for, you can, you know, hike it up. And if you ain't that type of girl, you can roll it on there. But it is short. It is short. It's not like long or formal. This is definitely giving me t-shirt vibes, but like bougie t-shirt vibes because of the ruffles in it. It does say baby girl. It does give you the more dimension the more you pull it up, so do be mindful of that. It's gonna make you look snatched. But yeah, I love the material of it. I think it's 24, I believe it's $24.99, so definitely affordable. It's definitely something cute and chill. And yeah, that is it. Alright guys, so the next dress I do have is the Editorial Love Distressed Denim Dress. This is in the color white and it is in the size large. Now this dress was cute. I ain't gonna front. This is definitely a casual wear. Something you can wear throughout the day before your date. I think it's very cute. This can definitely be styled. However, I was just showing you guys the pieces, so none of it's styled. It's just the piece itself. You definitely can style these however you like, okay? So this is what the dress looks like. Of course you're gonna have to picture it when it's closed because it's open. It's like a denim jean jacket dress. To me it's like a jean jacket dress. Super duper cute, and it does have, look, a little distressed pattern or pattern on the sides, as you guys can see. Hopefully you guys can see it, and it has it on both sides. Dress can be cute. I feel like I would have to go up a size just to have it fit very comfortably. The material feels great. This is a good sturdy denim feel. This was about $35, so $35 for a dress. Wait, a denim dress, y'all. A denim. They ain't playing. But it was a cute dress. Very daytime vibes. It's definitely giving daytime casual vibes. You can pair these with a, you know, pair of sandals. I know it's a little cold outside, but do people still wear sandals in the cold? I don't know, but still like it was cute. I still can wear it around the house. But definitely liked this. Very chill. I'm just here for it. Alright guys, so the next dress I have is a classic babe sweater maxi dress. This was $44.99. Y'all, this was one of my favorite dresses. So this, you can definitely style this. This can be cute, okay? This is like a classy outfit that you can wear during the day as well. A lot of these dresses you can wear for the day besides the formal ones. Now you can't do that, but this one right here, this was very cute. This is like knit sweater material, long sleeve, has a lot of stretch, okay? it has more stretch than that other dress. I feel like this is like a knit, definitely knit. Okay, normally I go a size down in knit, but yeah, it has a long v-neck, so that if you're a fan of showing cleavage, sis, this is one for you. This can be definitely a look. I feel like it's just nice and chill, brunch vibes. It's definitely long. It's a maxi dress. It's long. It does have a slit in there though, a wide slit. Is it slip or slit? I don't know, but it does have a wide slit in there. So it's just, I feel like that's what makes it, I feel like that's what makes it a vibe, is the little slit. You know, it turns things up a little bit. It'll get you a little spicy, looking a little, you know, it's just doing a little bit of something, but I really like it. Alright, so the next dress we have is an Out for a Wild Night mini dress. This is in the color black, size large again. This dress was $39, okay, $39. Y'all, this dress was so freaking cute. I don't care what nobody says. This was so cute. This was like a club outfit amped up ×2. I don't know. This material, I don't know if you guys can see the print. I'm gonna look at the print. It's so freaking chic and classy. Who is texting me? Don't do that. But I don't know, I just love the material, the print on this, and this feels good. This is like, what is that material? Not Velcro. That's not it. I don't know how this feels, but it feels good. Doesn't feel cheap at all. This fit me like a glove. Now y'all gotta be careful because this is actually see-through. Y'all probably saw my waist trainer on in that video, in that clip, because it's definitely see-through. So be careful. Make sure you ain't wearing no granny panties. Make sure you're wearing black or a color that's not exposing you. Also, I love that it has a little thumb hole. I live for little dresses or shirts that have this. I'm completely obsessed. I'm here for it. This definitely is gonna say a wild night out, because this is just cute. It's very cute. I'm not even gonna front, it's cute. Now it did come with some socks as well. I guess you can saw, or knee highs. Y'all, me and knee highs don't get along because they just don't be staying up on my legs, but these were so freaking cute. These is cute. I did put them on. I don't know if you guys can see them in the video, but they're like a pair of knee highs with the same print, so it's just like a steal. This was a little vibe. I really liked it. It was different for me because I don't really do stuff like this, but y'all, this dress is fire. So we have here our Baby Bear Hug PJ Romper Onesie. This is in the shade Coke. I was about to say Coco. Mocha, size large, of course. This was super duper cute, y'all. This was so comfy. Something that you can wear around the house that is mad chill. This is gonna keep you warm, baby girl. This is definitely gonna do it for you. Now it does have shorts on the end of it. Definitely has shorts. But it does have long sleeve. This is very, very warm and fuzzy. This is good for them days where you're just not trying to get dressed or you don't feel like putting on clothes. I feel like this is just something easy and quick to, you know, get into it, to wear. And of course this is not real fur, it's faux fur, okay? But it feels good. It does have pockets as well. And I'm just here for it because it's just warm and cozy. And the hat is so cute because it has like bear ears. Yeah, and the bears, I love bears. Well, not the real, well, I still love the real ones. I just don't want them like to eat me or anything, but but this is cute. I'm just here for it. Only, well, it does come up a little high in the back for your, you know, butt area. Little cheekies will be showing, so you know, you want to show, look at what kind of little cheek action going on there, but it is what it is. Oh, so yeah. Next we have the Between the Stripes PJ short set. This is in a color gray combo and it's in the size large. This is definitely another piece of sleepwear. Something cute to throw on when you want to, you know, change out of your daytime clothes. It does have a little v-neck, as you guys can see. It's not doing too much. It's like a t-shirt, very comfy and very loose. Now for the shirt in general, I could have took a medium because the shirt was a little bit too big, but again, you think about sleepwear, you don't want nothing tight, you know, you just want something loose and comfy to, you know, move around in. It does have like a little knot at the top too, in case you try and get cute with it, okay? You can tie it up on the side or in the middle. I was moving it around, but it's definitely loose and flowy and very, very comfortable. These are the bottoms as well. very cute. Now they're giving a little cheeky action as well. They do rise up in a little in the bag, but it's cute for real. It fits, it's comfortable, it's nice, and just comfortable to be in. How much was it? For $12. Can't beat it. You can't beat it. And it feels good, okay? Feels nice and soft, all that good stuff. And last but not least, this is the last sleepwear piece that I got. This was the Hotline Stripe Sleep Romper. This is what's in the color black and white, and in the size large. And here she is again. I love their sleepwear. I didn't know it was like these. It was like this. Now again, this is long sleeve, but it does have shorts at the end. And the shorts very much is giving a little cheeky cheek action. This one's long sleeve though, so it's gonna keep it a little bit more cozier and warm. I feel like you can wear this top with some jeans though. You know, put your jeans on if you just gotta make an errand real quick. Because I don't know, that's just me trying to make stuff versatile. But hey, let me stop. This is cute, okay? Like I said again, comfy, cozy. Definitely something you can lounge around in your house with all day, every day, and that's one period. So yeah, that was all for the try on haul plus the pieces that I've gotten. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you want to cop any pieces for yourself. All details in regards to each of the pieces will be listed down in the description section below. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and until my next video, you're gonna see you later. Bye guys.